In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Calendar to Calendly. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Zoho Calendar with Calendly, ensuring that your scheduling process is smooth and efficient. First, let's dive into your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all your event types and schedules are managed. It's important to be familiar with this area as it serves as the control center for your scheduling activities. Next, you'll want to head over to the Integrations and Apps section. To do this, simply look for the link usually found in the main menu or sidebar. This section is vital as it houses all the various integrations that Calendly supports. By exploring this area, you're opening yourself up to a wide range of tools that can help streamline your scheduling process. Once you're in the Integrations and Apps section, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you'll type in Zoho. Using the search bar is much quicker than scrolling through the entire list of integrations, especially if you know exactly what you're looking for. Typing Zoho will bring up all the relevant Zoho integrations available in Calendly. After searching for Zoho, click on it when it appears in the results. This will initiate the process to connect your Zoho calendar with your Calendly account. You might be prompted to sign into your Zoho account if you aren't already. This step is crucial as it ensures that Calendly can securely access your Zoho calendar data. Once you've clicked on Zoho, you'll need to follow any verification steps that appear. This might include confirming your credentials or granting permissions. It's important to carefully follow these instructions to ensure a successful connection. Verifying your account is an essential security measure that protects your data while allowing Calendly to access your calendar. And there you have it. With these steps, your Zoho calendar should now be connected to Calendly. This integration will ensure that all your scheduled events are automatically synced across both platforms, minimizing the risk of double bookings and keeping your schedule up to date. Remember, having your calendars integrated not only saves time, but also provides a seamless experience for your clients and colleagues. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With the integration complete, you can enjoy the benefits of a more organized and efficient scheduling system. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on maximizing the potential of your digital tools.